Wow, this thing is terrible. So these fake products keep getting better and better and better. And for those of you new to the channel, this is my What the Fake series, a series where I go around the web and try and find the fakest games consoles possible. And today, lucky for you, I have the PlayStation 2, or shall I say, the mini Polystation 2001. No idea, but I found it, and this looks absolutely terrible, but in a good way. I think this one's going to be very fun to unbox. As you can already tell, the box looks like it's been kicked around the football pitch for a couple of hours, but hey, this does look like a fairly old product. I can't seem to find a date on it, but hey. So this is it, the mini Polystation 2 with the PS2 logo there in capitals and even on the console itself. Now, I don't know what to expect from this, but I've heard of the Polystation before, so this should be interesting. And I didn't just get one, so this is a PS2, and this is a PS2 as well. So this is going to be my next video. If you're interested in this, subscribe, and you'll see that in your feed in a few days' time. But let's crack open this. On the box, you've kind of got instructions. It says, choking hazard, not suitable for children under 3. Be careful with the potential entanglement hazard with neck, hair, or fingers. There are string. Makes no sense whatsoever, but let's jump into it. That is dusty. I think this has been in storage for years, so this is what we're greeted. Oh my god. What kind of controller is that? Are you seeing how small it is? All right, let's just get this. What? Does this come out? Is that it? Oh no, okay. All right, let's, oh. All right, so they've actually done a pretty good job here, making it kind of look like a fake PlayStation. So this is the mini Polystation 2, and as you can see, they have straight up stolen the PlayStation 2 design here, and they've even gone about putting a PS2 logo on it, but in their own font type here. You got your open. The controller things don't work, nor does these USBs, but I'm guessing, ow, almost cut my thumb open there. So, oh my god, will that even come out if I stand that up? Okay, it does. Touché. Don't know if you can see that there. I'll try and get that on camera for you. Pop. So what this isn't your typical Famiclone that you plug into your TV. This is straight up a PlayStation 2 with a very terrible screen there that looks like, to me, Tetris. But this weighs nothing. This is actually hilarious. I'm actually digging this product because, oh god, it needs batteries. What's in here? You've got a store. Oh, okay, so you can put this in here. That's pretty neat. All right, you can't even do that with a real PlayStation 2. And bang, it is now portable. Oh no, that didn't work. Okay, but I need to add batteries in this thing, 2 AA's. It's got a speaker grill on the back. It's... Alright, okay, let me go get some batteries. This thing is quite light as well. It's got a bit more weight compared to the other fake consoles I unbox. But I'm digging it. Like, look at that. That is your fake PlayStation 2 right there. But it's pocket size, you know? That's like the size of my hand. Right, let's just... let me get some batteries and let's see what this thing can do. I'm hoping it can play Crysis. Probably not. I hope this doesn't blow up on me. Oh, Lord. Sounds like a very low quality ice cream van noise. Now this won't even go in because these batteries are too thick. Yep, that's not going in. All right, let's take a look at the game. Has he got a screen protector? Yes. Okay. Now let me go get my controller from the back storage system here. Oh man. And then I slide that back on. Ooh. Doesn't sound healthy at all, but hey. All right. On. Okay. Let's see if I can zoom in on this. Okay, so this controller is absolutely tiny. I think it is almost the same size as my little finger. So playing Tetris on this might be a bit hard. So we've got start, volume. Don't know why you'd put start and volume on the analog sticks, but hey, you've got on off up here. Shoulder buttons don't work. That's just a design that they've gone for. And your D-pad, or wait, yeah, your whatever you call this is your rotate. So arrow, rotate, down. Okay, let's give it a go. I hope you can see both, but let's start. What the? What is this game? So this looks like a normal Tetris. Think, holy shit, how quick is that? I just pressed volume. That was bad. Rotate. Okay. So the left button ain't working. So I can only go right. I can only go right. Oh no, I pressed volume again. Oh no, this is not looking good, guys. So from what I can tell, we have Tetris. That game there is Tetris. That game there is also Tetris. Tetris again. Or oh no, wait, so this is like a letter up here. This is LMNOPQRSTA. So this is that shooting game that we just played. Or like, this looks like a racing game. Oh yes. What is that noise? How do I jump? What is that noise? I don't know what that is. I can't go left because the left button doesn't work. Alright, so that was a racing game. This looks like, oh, the pinball game. Let's play this. Okay, there's a heart. Start. I can only go right. This left button doesn't work. I have to destroy the heart by the looks of things. Oh no. I was doing quite good then without even moving. Oh no, this is... shut up! How the... There we go. Shut the hell up. Alright, so... Reset. God, that noise. So we've got... and migraine included with this thing. It's nice. I don't know what that is. That's snake by the looks of things. Up and right, because that's all the buttons that work. I can't go left, I can't go down, I can go right and then right. No. Maybe I can get this one. Oh no, I missed. Oh no, now I can't go. This is, oh, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Volume. There you go. All right. No, that doesn't even turn off. I don't even know. So that's as deep as I'm going to go with this terrible thing. You know, it's got a few games on there. I have no idea how you play most of them. Most of them are quite old and see, like L. That's Tetris. These are all Tetris. O, P, Q, R, and it should go to A. There's your shooting game. There's your racing game. There's your pinball thing game. There's your snake game. Then, yeah, I just have no idea what half of these are. Like, what is that? No idea. But there you have it. the $20 fake PlayStation 2 that I found on Alibaba, also known as the Mini Polystation 2001. Maybe that's when it came out. That would explain a lot. But I do like the fact that it generally looks like a PlayStation 2. You've got this storage system in the back. Let me zoom out for y'all. So you can chuck in your controller, and if you ever want to go around a friend's house and give him a migraine, you can take this in a portable form factor. So there you have it, guys, a quick look at the Mini Polystation 2001 fake PlayStation 2 that I managed to get hold of. If you want to see the other one, make sure to subscribe. I will be doing that on a video next, so hit subscribe. And if you want to see my thoughts on this stuff over on Twitter, you can go over there as well. As per usual, I always appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.